Alright, new PR, here I come. 1, 2, 3! Looks strong, right? It's not. You can train like this for months and not get the results you want. No control, no tension means less progress. Let me show you what you're missing and how to fix it. Most people think getting stronger means lifting heavier, but your muscles don't care about the number on the weight. They care about tension or time under tension. That means how long a muscle is staying active throughout a rep. Rush the rep and you lose tension. Control the rep and you keep it. And that's what drives growth. Here's what people miss. If you lower the weight you're lifting, it's easier to control. More control equals more tension. More tension equals better muscle growth. This matters a lot when you have things like mobility issues, because not everyone's going to be able to move in the same way, and not everyone's range of motion is going to be the same. To help maximize muscle growth, it's important to have control over the weights you're moving, and controls allows you to stay under tension throughout the whole lift. And that's the important part, the time the muscle spends actually working. Let me show you exactly what I mean. This is what most people do, fast and loose reps. When that happens, tension disappears. Now watch this and see the difference. If you slow down, your control goes up. The muscle never turns off. Here's the key. At the top of the rep, you lose tension. At the bottom of the rep, you lose it again. If you go all the way top to bottom, you take the work off the muscle, and your body brings in other muscle groups like your shoulders to help out. So instead of walking out or relaxing at the bottom, stay just inside that range to keep tension on that muscle at all times. This will look different for everyone, and that's alright. Your job is to find where you lose tension at the top and bottom of your rep. And once you know where you lose it, you know where to stop to always stay under tension throughout the whole exercise. So the next time you're working out, while you're counting your reps, keep track of how long you feel your muscle being under tension. The longer it's under tension, the longer it's working. And that's what helps muscles grow. For more videos like this, leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.